down for the 8-foot ladder, this is 20 inches. And for the 6-foot ladder, we liked 18 inches. So that's the numbers we're going to be having on the blog, what we really like work best. But you know, feel free to adjust things to how you want them.
Right.
This is just what we felt like we wanted for us. So what we're going to do next, and if you do not have a pocket hole jig, completely skip this part. We're going to fly through it kind of quick so we don't take up too much of the time on here talking about it. But this right here, this cool little blue thing, and I've got it clamped down, is called a pocket hole jig. What this does is it also comes with this special drill bit, and this drills a hole into the back of our rung so that we can hide our screws.
Awesome.
Now, it's not necessary. I like this look. It's a little bit of a cleaner look. So if you have one, use it. If you don't, it's definitely, if you do a lot of woodworking, it's a tool that I love having. It's just like with this unit and everything we did, it just makes it really, really clean. However, sometimes I also do like the idea of putting the screws to the side to kind of have that organic country look.
Yeah.
So we're going to hide our screws by doing the pocket hole jig, but if you're just going to use regular screws, completely skip this step, and you'll just have the 2.5-inch screws that will go from the outside edge pieces through to this one. So we're going to show you really quick how this works so that you can see. This makes it super easy. There actually is a way to do pocket hole holes without this. Yeah, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. It takes a lot of clamps and you kind of have to be really, really like confident with your drill. But I'm not.
Yeah.
So this is great because it's kind of like pocket holes for dummies. So with this, all you're going to do is put your drill into the hole that you've got lined up. We are moving inward. In and then back out. That's it. And so our actual pocket hole jig is done. I'm going to come to this side of the table and release my clamp. And if you want to kick out that dust, and what this does, yeah, isn't it nice, is it makes a nice hole that now our screw will go hide into here and go into our edge piece, which we're going to go ahead and continue doing that on all the sides. We might adjust this a little bit to give us more space, but this will be on the back side of the wall, so we won't even see it. Awesome. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so now that we have our pocket holes done, if you're not doing pocket holes, you're still going to like this, and you're going to be screwing with 2.5-inch screws from each side. It is easier to have clamps ready and also to pre-drill your holes. It makes it easier in getting that screw in there. So what we've decided to do with the 6-foot ladder is we like going 14 inches from one side and placing the top of the rung at 14 inches. And then measuring from the bottom of the rung, we go 14 inches again to the next one and repeat for the last 2. And this side of the ladder is a little bit shorter, but we like that look. We feel like a lot of ladders from top to bottom, the bottom one and the top one are different lengths to the edges of the ladder. So now we're ready to grab our screws and we are going to start to assemble this. But first, before you screw anything in, be sure to use wood glue on each side and then grab your tools and go for it.
Let's do it.
All right, so now that we are rolling on this, we wanted to give you a couple more quick tips. And that is, our table is not exactly like, it's pretty beat up, it's not exactly level. So we're taking a board and placing it underneath our joints, and then we're clamping down the sideboard so that it doesn't move. We're adding some glue, we're holding this tightly along there, and then we're ready to attach that. All right, all right, see, and this is what I'm saying, crafty friends, extra hands are great for this project. Beautiful! Good job! Great. I know, it's so fun. Yay! So this is the finished naked one. You don't really, if you want to leave it like this, you could totally leave it like this. The only other thing that we would suggest is just where you put blankets on it, take a piece of sandpaper and quickly just get some of those rough edges off. Yeah. And some of them are already smooth. And then, and you could really smooth it down if you want to.
But I love the character.
I love the character. I know, that's the fun thing about using that inexpensive wood is like you actually get character built in. Mm-hmm. So then, whether you quilt or you want to use it for scarves, or we are talking this month about marketplace.
Yes.
This would be a great display light. It's easy.
Easy to transport,
If you run a booth at a market, at a craft fair, this is perfect. You can put your scarves on it. You can put your beautiful blankets on it.
Oh yeah.
And then it's such a nice way to display your works of art. It kind of does them justice. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you. I am so happy, Chelsea, that you joined me today. I really could not have done this without you. This was so much fun.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this project. Be sure to link your photos in our Get Creative With Us community Facebook group. And Chelsea, I think you're going to stain this.
Yes, I'm going to stain
I can't wait to
and
see it.
Distress it a little bit.
Distress it. I know, I love the distress look. And as soon as I get my 8-foot ladder done, I'm going to also stain that and I think distress it because that look is so in.
It is.
It is. Thank you so much for joining us. Join us again soon. Bye, everybody.